Hello, this is Bill.
Hey, Bill, how are you? My name is Casey Ryback. I'm calling from corporate HR.
I'm good. Casey Ryback. I don't think I know you.
No, we've never met before. I'm over in the corporate offices.
Okay. What do you need?
Well, I need to talk to you for a second, because I need to let you know that we're going to be docking your next paycheck $200.
You gonna what?
We're going to be taking...
Why would you do that?
Well, I think you know why we'd be doing that.
No, I don't know why you were doing that. That's why I ask you. Why are you going to take...
We're taking the $200 out of your next paycheck because of you eating way too much Halloween candy in the break room, to be honest.
What the hell? I don't believe this. What is this, a joke?
Well, I didn't believe it either, and that's why we had a camera installed in the break room.
There's a camera looking at me now?
There's a camera in the break room, and we have video of you going to town on all the candy dishes, and
You can't film me eating candy in the break room.
Actually, we can. And we did, and we found that you've eaten so much candy that we need to be reimbursed. So
that's bullshit. This is not going to happen. You are not going to do this. Now,
but you do understand that...
You call me, I don't know you from Adam, you tell me you're going to take $200 out of my check?
But with the amount of candy that you eat...
So what?
Sir.
I can take as much candy as I want, whatever the hell kind of amount that is. I can eat every damn piece of candy that I feel like. You get me?
You're correct. You can if you reimburse the company for
I
our
don't
law.
want to You're not listening to me. I am not going to pay you for something that you say I'm supposed to pay you for when I didn't know I was supposed to pay you.
You've had a lot of candy. So
what? So I eat a lot of candy. I've got a sweet tooth.
Yes, you do.
Big deal.
Okay.
It's not like I'm a drunk.
I'm sorry, sir. Did you just admit to drinking on the job as well? Because then we're going to have a whole different issue.
No. I did not.
I'm pretty sure I heard you say, yes, I like to eat candy, and you swore at me, and then you said, and I'm also really drunk.
I am not drunk, and I did not eat your freaking candy.
Well, the way that you're yelling at me right now, sir, that would lead me to think that maybe you've had a few snips from the bottle.
Maybe I'm mad at you. Mad at you.
Well, I don't know why you'd be mad at me. I'm not the one that ate all the candy.
You're the one who said you're going to take $200 out of my paycheck because I ate all the candy, which I did not eat.
I'm here for you, sir, to get you help. The first step to recovery is
I don't need help. The only help I need is for you to go away and stop bothering me.
How long has it been since you had your last hit?
I'm not talking to you anymore.
Sir, you're a chocoholic. You just need to admit it to me. That's all you need to do to start the road to recovery.
I'm not talking to you anymore.
The road to recovery...
I want you to get your boss. Get your boss on the phone, now.
The road to recovery runs through this conversation right now. Let me help you.
Give me your supervisor right the now.
What if I get your coworker, Suzanne? What if I get her? Will you talk to her?
Suzanne? What the hell does Suzanne have to do with this?
Well, because Suzanne wanted me to call you.
What? Suzanne's calling HR at National? I don't believe you.
No, Suzanne wanted me to call you because this is actually Jubal from Brook and Jubal in the Morning on Moving 92.5 doing a phone tap on you. She says that she's been giving you crap about eating all the office candy